smooth
I'm
and
liking
nice.
the song, right?
Smooth.
Hey. Welcome to Daytime Live, and the weekend starts right here with us. Yes, so that was Miss Jamaica by Zach Jones and Agent Sasko. Did you hear it? And we are joined by a group of Miss Jamaicas who are also gunning to be Miss Distinction. Welcome, ladies. All right. And, Craigie.
What's up?
Sir, I'm checking out your Instagram. I see you all over Costa Rica doing a bag of things. Hello,
Yeah, man, we've been doing some stuff. I'm good, man. I'm good. Happy. And I did a couple of shows in Costa Rica. That was cool. I shot a video over there too.
A video?
Good vibes. Yeah.
Nice. So how was the whole experience?
It was very good. Very good. Excellent. And big up to the Costa Ricans that are in Jamaica. They don't know big up on themselves. I love on the place.
He'll be back.
So, I mean, it's awesome to be here with you today, Nisha, because you're kicking off birthday celebrations today, eh?
I got the birthday nails.
She have birthday nails, birthday hair, birthday clothes, all kind of birthday.
The nails, you like it?
I said
Yes.
birthday clothes. I never said birthday suit. I said birthday clothes.
Birthday
Please
clothes.
pay attention.
I have
Notice
birthday
that I did not
clothes, yes.
say. Oh, okay. So, do you have
Yes.
any special plans for the birthday?
I am going shopping.
Oh, yeah, I said.
Gotta buy more stuff, spend more money. Hey!
Bossy business.
Right? That's the best thing. So I'm quite excited about that, you know. But guess what? Don't forget to connect with us on our social media. You can connect with me, Instagram and Twitter. Our handle is at TVJ_Daytime Live. However, for Facebook, it's at TVJ Daytime Live, and you all can wish me happy birthday on Instagram, which is at Nisha Yen. That's it, Nisha Yen.
So wish her happy birthday. But if you want to be a part of the studio audience, because we have an awesome studio audience, log on. All you have to do is log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed, or you can just come on by. Just forward and we'll accommodate you.
Yes, and guess what? To catch back episodes, just jump onto onespotmedia.com. And on YouTube as well. You can just search for Daytime Live TVJ and you'll find us. Okay, guys. Woo. Buzz. Lots of things are buzzing. Guess what? The Grung Godzilla.
She did it.
Hey.
She can't read it
He
on
was
part right
laughing at
there.
the way
I
I
see
said it
that.
before. Grung Godzilla.
You did
Bone
it.
to killer.
I'm proud
So
of
good,
you.
right?
I'm
Thank
proud of
you.
you.
He finally got his official Instagram handle back
Good.
after it was hacked. So, Bounty Killer fans out there, if you unfollowed him, go and go follow back. He's
Yeah.
ready.
Yeah, man, real things. Big up to Killer. You don't know you do your thing. When you lost your page, you know, I was wondering what happened, because we see all kind of shoes that pop up still, but you can get back in page now. So follow back the Killer. You don't know Grung Godzilla, that is his handle, so check it out. So,
nice.
next thing now, so Coffee is currently on tour. She's currently in Dubai for Soul Festival alongside a team of Jamaican musicians, film directors, and other creatives representing our culture. So Coffee's tour schedule is also booked for 2020 because she's going on tour with mega pop star Harry Styles for his 2020 tour. In North America and the most. Brazil and Colombia get a dose and a handful. You don't know. So Harry announced these dates via his IG page. So, I mean, big up to Coffee. You don't know, she's doing great things, big things.
So proud of her.
Congratulations on the Grammy nomination as well. Enough things are going for Coffee.
Yes, we just can't say congratulations a win from no, because you know it's a shadow win. Yes.
Well, I don't know. I have a lot of friends in the category. I just said she definitely a go. But she had a phenomenal year, though, definitely. And the EP is amazing.
Okay, so guess what? Also, there has been much talk on social media regarding a whole... Wait, hang on a second. You know, so we're talking on social media about our Instagram handle and everything like...
Yeah.
Wait.
I hear a faint knock.
I hear something in the distance.
In the background.
In the distance. Is that my future? Is that my husband? Who is that? Who is that?
Who that?
Who that? Hello? Who is it? Yes! It's the executive producer of School Challenge Quiz, Mr. Michael Gonzalez. Welcome.
Thank you, Nisha, and thank you.
Nice. You know, so you're practicing that outside. I appreciate it.
What's that?
Nisha, yeah, I know you were.
Thank
you.
you.
I appreciate it. Okay, so the TVJ Junior School Challenge Quiz finale takes place on Tuesday. What are we to expect, and Who are the finalists?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me. It's going to be at 6 p.m. as the first thing.
6 p.m.
Normally we broadcast at 6:30.
Oh.
But it being the finals, we moved the time up half an hour because we have more bells and whistles for the finals.
Right.
Obviously. Mona Prep, who won 5 times before. They are in the finals.
Mona Prep.
What is that about?
Oh, you mean benefit people and win 5 times and then
Oh, I thought you had a Mona.
I
I thought you had a Mona Prep
No,
connection.
no.
Okay.
Who's the other school?
Broughton Primary out of Westmoreland.
Oh.
Westmoreland brought me.
Is that their first time in the
No,
finals?
actually they were in the finals last year and lost to another Westmoreland school, Mount Airy all age.
Right. So they're coming back with a vengeance.
Yeah, I think they're trying to say, well, you know, second time lucky.
Yeah.
Not
They gave it
third.
away last year, really, but this year
It was a close match
they're ready
last
to
year.
Yeah, exactly. They were
And if you look at how they performed for the season, Mona has racked up more points, admittedly, than Broughton, but, you know, it's on the day, you know, how you keep your composure on the day,
Yes.
and it should be educational and entertaining.
We will see. We will see. My whole family on my mother's side come from Mount Airy, you know. So if once Mount
Seriously?
Airy, yeah, man. So once Mount Airy not in it, I carry the next Westmoreland school.
What?
More than I'm ready to know about rough.
But Westmoreland Craigie has been really shaking up the place.
Yeah,
and
man.
doing a
That's right for
we had Little London Primary this year as well.
Right, people, man.
So there seems to be a wave of Western schools doing
Right.
very well in the quiz
Right.
of late. This
Right.
is our 17th year, so we really have had a wave of schools coming through. Windward Road Primary, if you want to know in terms of winners, some of the top winners, only schools have won 4 years in a row. They haven't been doing so well lately, but they still have that record. Nobody has broken
Right,
it.
exactly.
And Mona Prep, I think in the last 10 years, has been the most outstanding school.
So
Awesome.
here is the thing. The questions
Yes.
for the competition comes from the 4 core areas in the primary school syllabus. Can you just tell us what those are?
Well, it does. Generally, we focus on those areas: social studies, science, math, and language arts.
Right.
We used to call it English language in my day, but they
Yeah.
call it language arts now.
Right.
Maybe something different.
I'll say with English
And
language.
you know, we moved from GSAT to PEP. So we have now started to look at the PEP curriculum and not the GSAT curriculum. But we
Right.
don't want our children to be limited to those areas.
Nice.
Those areas are in what we call the face-off, which is the one-on-one
Right.
battle with the teams. But we have to expose them to, like, you know, general knowledge, sports, Jamaican culture, Caribbean culture.
True.
And sports related to the Caribbean and Jamaica, not just foreign people.
Right.
So we've kind of said to them, don't just stick to what's in the books, but you need to read widely. You need to watch television, see what's going on, you know, and so you can be a more broad-based
Right.
individual.
Right,
So
right.
it really is not just about the quiz, it's also building them into a kind of a global person, because you know we're not really one global village.
True.
So they have to think outside
Think
of the
outside
box.
the box.
Yes.
It's interesting because I saw something recently. They asked the young ladies, the persons,
Yes.
what country,
Yeah.
nationality Rihanna was.
Yeah.
And they were all like, Barbados. Jamaica!
But you
And
know-
that was based
yeah.
on us.
Because we stole
Yeah,
that
it's
power.
We stole
social.
her
Yeah,
social
no,
media,
you see,
Instagram, you know,
You
so
see,
they
you
got
guys
caught.
just confuse a poor little
I
child
know,
because
that was-
everybody was saying
I had a
Jamaica,
moment.
saying Barbados, and then the
Barbados.
child
I
remembered.
was like, no, it's Jamaica.
Remember Nisha Yen's post about Rihanna being Jamaican,
yes.
and change the answer at the
Just
last
because of
minute.
that. So sometimes- but it's good. It was good to
but,
see.
But it's a bright girl. She,
Yeah.
you
Well,
know,
social media is like that tonight. It's powerful. So tell us again what time we can catch the finals.
6 p.m. on Tuesday, December 10. It will be live.
So that's next week, Tuesday.
Right here.
Right
At
here,
6
TVJ.
p.m.
Yes.
Live. Tune in. It's going to be amazing.
Totally amazing.
Totally amazing. And
Yeah.
I'll be watching.
It's going to be a match full of fireworks. And if you know junior quiz, it's going to probably go down to the last second.
So,
to show who the
Michael,
winner is.
before we go any further, we're going to ask you a weird question now. We want to know if you have any shout-outs. Because with
Yeah.
the detailed shout-outs, you know. So we want to know if you have a shout-out.
I've never done a shout out before.
Shout out.
Big up somebody.
Shout out. Just want to big up.
Well, I'm big up to all the schools in the junior quiz
Nice.
competition, especially the finalists. Big up to Miss Siku, who was a child from Mona Prep, and whose legacy remains.
Yeah.
And big up to Miss Marsha Clark Davis, the principal of Broughton, and the coach. She's done a great job down there in Westmoreland. And I think it should be a great final. So big up to everybody.
Awesome.
That was my first shout out.
Our first shout-out ever right here on Daytime Live. All right, so we have some audience shout-outs now. We want to know who of the Miss Distinction participants now will shout out. Who have the microphone? Who have the microphone?
Here we go, ladies. Jump in.
Hi, what's up?
And gents, obviously, jump on in.
Hi, what's up? Tell me your name and stuff and who you're shouting out.
Okay, well, my name is Natalia Gordon. I'm contestant number 4 of the pageant. I'd like to shout out to my grandmother. I know she's watching, and my mommy. Okay.
Love that kind of support. Who's next? Hello.
Hello, my name is Alia Montgomery. I'm contestant number 10. I'd like to shout out to my cousin Ashika Walker and to my mother.
All right, okay.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
My name is Jamnique Ways. I'm contestant number 13, and I'd like to shout out my grandma that is watching and my mother.
Nice.
Awesome.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Carla Messam, and I would like to shout out to my mom who is watching, my sponsor, Pest Control Services, and all my friends that are watching.
Awesome.
Hi, Jamaica. I'm Alicia Francis. I'm contestant number 6. I would like to shout out to my mother who's watching. I would like to send a shout out to Holy Child High and Greater Portmore. Thank you.
Awesome stuff. Smile, Biggie.
Right? Right? Okay. Thank you, ladies. And I just got a message from Joel, and Joel says, happy birthday, mommy. So happy birthday, mommy Namdarkam. Big up yourself, beautiful. And I have one more shout out here. There is an awesome party happening on December the 20th. Michelle, Mora, and Capo, big up yourself. Looking forward to that.
Yeah, big up Natalie from Johnson's Petroleum. You don't know, enough respect. All right, so Daytime Live will be right back, and we're talking with Tanya Stevens, so don't move. You don't want to miss that.